This up here, I think it's swift. I can't count how many of them. Hold on, look at the flocks. I have never seen this before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got to take pictures to get this. Never seen this before. Ricardo, you see this before? Like the whole sky full of them. Look at that. Look here. Going cross. This is in St. Catherine. Look here. Look there again. That's a different flock over there. I need some proper gear. Look. Anybody have ever seen this before? I not even know. I'm just going to try to get. I not even can tell what bird it is. I know it is. Look like it's. I don't see. Look, another flock. What's going on, guys? I don't know. I don't have my scope. I don't have my binoculars on me. All right.